Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to install the Kodi Karaoke Free Addon. Perfect for all your karaoke needs. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to sing along, this add-on is for you, and it's super easy to set up. Let's dive in. First, open Kodi. On the home screen, click the System Settings icon, the little gear. Scroll down and select File Manager. Click Add Source on the left side. Click where it says None, and enter http://diggz1, me/Diggz Repo/ and exactly. Name it Diggz Repo and click OK. Double check everything, then click OK to save. Head back to the main menu. Go to Add-ons, then click the Add-on Package Installer icon. Select Install from Zip File. Enable Unknown Sources if prompted. Select Diggz Repo, then Repository Diggz 17 zip. Wait for the notification that says Diggz Repository installed. Now click Install from Repository, then Diggz Repo. Scroll to Video Add-ons and find Kodi Karaoke Free. Click Install. The add-on will download and install automatically. You'll get a notification once it's ready, and that's it. Start singing with the Kodi Karaoke Free Addon. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy singing.